Hey, what's up? It's Mr. Lopez. I'm on the struggle bus, just like you. Alright, let's take a look at this one. This one's actually one of my favorite ones to do because it's so easy. Um, it might look a little bit complicated, but it's not. It's very easy. And after you're done here, you're gonna know that it's pretty easy to do too. Alright, so let's take a look at the question. I'm gonna go ahead and read all of it first. See, the number of each kind of fruit in a bowl is shown. Here we have apples, bananas, pears. So all these are in a bowl of fruit. Which expression can we use to find the fraction of fruit in the vase that are apples and pears? Oops, I think that's supposed to say, that is supposed to say bowls. So let's change that bowls. There. Oh, it's not bowls, it's bowl. There. All right. So all we're doing is trying to find the fraction of the number of apples and pears. So it has to be apples and pears, okay? Which expression can we use to find the fraction of fruit in the bowl that are apples and pears? So expression, all right, easy enough to do. All right, well, let's start by looking at what kind of fractions these fruits make. All right, the most important part is the denominator, and the denominator is the number at the bottom. So let me just make a little model here. Denominator. And numerator. Numerator. Alright. So our denominator is our number at the bottom. And the number at the bottom is always all of them. Is always all of them. So let's count all our fruit and find that number first, because that can help us out a lot. Alright, so we're going to count all the fruit in the bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our denominator is 13. Alright. And our numerator, it depends on what we're looking at. So let's see. The fraction made by the apples is this. We have 13 pieces of fruit, and 1, 2, 3 of those pieces are apples. So our fraction of apples is 3/13. 3/13. All right. And let's see what kind of fraction our bananas make. All right. Our denominator is all of them, all the fruit, not just the bananas. Our numerator is just the bananas. So let's count the number of bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. I'm going to write 6 there. So the fraction of bananas is 6/13. Alright, and let's do our pears. All the fruits are 13, all of them. The number of pears is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of pears to fruit is 4/13. Man, that's twist my tongue there a little bit. Alright, let's go back to this question. Let's reread it. Which expression can be used to find the fraction of fruit in the bowl that are apples and pears? Apples and pears. So apples and pears. So we don't need the bananas. We're just looking at apples and pears. So we're looking for this fraction and this fraction. 3/13 and 4/13. All right. So let's take a look at our first choice here. Our first choice, I'm not seeing our denominator. we need a denominator of 13 because we're looking at all the fruit for a denominator. So these these don't have the right denominator, so this cannot be our answer. And here we don't have the right denominator either, so that can't be our answer. And if we look at this answer and this answer, both these answers have the correct denominator, 13, 13, 13, and 13. But we're looking for 3/13 and 4/13. Okay, I see my 3/13, but here I have 6/13, which would be our bananas. And we're not looking for bananas because our problem says apples and pears. So this cannot be the answer. Okay, let's come down here. And here is our fraction for our apples, 3/13. And here is our fraction for our pears. And we're looking for apples and pears, so this must be our answer. Easy as that. Well, that wasn't hard at all, was it? So why all the tears? I don't know. Okay, well, this is Mr. Lopez, and get ready for that quiz. Bye.